Hey everyone, today we're reviewing Noblu Glasses, a product claiming to offer advanced vision improvement without a prescription. But with bold claims and a flood of negative feedback, the big question is, are Noblu Glasses legit or just another internet scam? Quick disclaimer, this review is based on public research and user opinions. Also, a lot of you are asking how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. Links in the description. Now, according to the official website, Noblu glasses are designed to enhance your eyesight naturally with adjustable lenses and are marketed as a one-size-fits-all solution. The site boasts a clean design and big promises, including a money-back guarantee. But here's where the red flags start to show. On Trustpilot, Noblu holds a shocking 1.2-star rating. Customers complain that the glasses don't work as advertised and can actually make vision more confusing. The checkout process is misleading. With hard-to-avoid upsells, the money-back guarantee is nearly impossible to use. Many report being completely ignored after contacting support. Some say they try to cancel within minutes but still got charged with no refund ever processed. So is Noblu legit? Based on user feedback, this looks like a product that overpromises and underdelivers. With poor customer service and no accountability when things goes wrong, it's not worth the risk. If you've tried Noblu glasses, share your experience in the comments. It could help others avoid a costly mistake. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews. Until next time, take care of your eyes and your wallet.